Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Bangladesh trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. One of my fans just told me yesterday to make or to repeat the Bangladesh trap beat, so I'm going to repeat this one and title it "How to Make Bangladesh Trap Beat Remix." I'm going to remake this one, which I'm going to go into details. So I'm going to enter my FS Studio. This is my channel rack here. This is my playlist. This is my mixer. When playing instruments that are programmed on your channel rack here, make sure to always switch it to song mode. When you are about to arrange your beat here, put it in song mode. And when I'm in my channel rack, I'm going to switch it to pattern so that I'm going to play the one here. So I'm going to click on add. This add, I'm going to pick this plugin called Harmless. After that, I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6. Then put my cursor on plugin options, click on preset. I'm going to pick this one called Expands. So I'm going to use this one called Expands. I'm going to put my cursor here, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. Then to see all of what you are doing, put your cursor here, left click and hold it when your mouse is like that on the screen, then drag it to the right. Now let's continue it. As you can see, I've created my 1 to 4 bars pattern and it's very simple. I'm going to put my cursor like this, drag it to the left. You can press Ctrl and A, or you can just come and click here, put your cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, which you can also press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B, and copy it right to bars number 8. The next step, you are going to click on our channel rack back here, and click on add on the screen here, and then click this one 3 times aux. So I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 7. Put my cursor here, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. Now these are the bass melodies now. I'm drawing the bass melodies now. I'm drawing the bass melodies. These are the bass melodies. I'm drawing the bass melodies. That's it. These are the bass melodies now. The Bangladesh trap beat. I'm going to title it Remix. That's it. The next step is I'm going to start to program the hi-hat now. On channel 3, I will right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll to open my hi-hat. So I will just put it like this, reduce it a little bit. When you put your 1 bar, make sure it reduces the bar. Like this, just put it like this, like this, like this. I'm going to program right up to number 4 bars. Like this. That's it. Voila, right up to number 4 bars here. So that I will then come here and click select, put my cursor here, left click and hold it, drag it to the left, which you can still press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B again. to copy it. The next step, I will start to program a snare. I'll put my console here on channel 4 on my channel rack, right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. 1, I'm putting my snare. Okay, I'm going to turn up my snare right up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's okay. Now, my kick, I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to left click on, well, I'm going to put my cursor on top of my kick, left click, I hold it, drag it to channel 1. Right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. Now, this is how I'm going to program my kick. This is it. Very simple. Follow my steps. You will program your beat. If you start learning from my YouTube channel, you are going to program it only today. That's it. Very simple like that. Don't just put it randomly. So I'm going to lay my kicks. After that, I'll click on my kick again. On this effect target, I'll click here. Turn the bow knob right up. That's okay. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. I'll bring down the 6 a little bit. Bring down the 7 a little bit. Good. Now this is our playlist. View playlist. I'm going to click here. Pattern 1. I'll put my cursor here. Right click on my mouse. Click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared on the top left corner of our FSO. Come here and click draw. Then just click on your kick like that. Then click back into your playlist. Very simple. Click on your hi-hat. Click into your playlist. Click on your snare. Click back. Click on your first melody. Click back. Click on your last melody. Then click back. Now, the next step, I'll click on select. Put my cursor here. Left click and hold it. Highlight it to the left. Another way, you can still press Ctrl and A at the same time on your keyboard. Then press Ctrl and B several times to extend your beat. I'm extending my beat right up to 40. Now I've extended my beat right up to 40. After that, I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold it, just drag it to see what I'm doing, so that if the screen is small, then I'll put my cursor here, highlight to the left. You can see press Ctrl and A. But first, I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then click on select. Put my cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight to the left. Press Ctrl and B, right up to 79. I'm extending my beat now, right up to 79. That's it. I'll click on this icon draw, click on expands, click here, click on my second melody, then click here. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. That's okay. The next step, that is hi-hat 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor on channel 3 on my mixer here. Right click on my mouse. I'll put my cursor here like this. Right click on my mouse. Then click create automation clip. On number 4 on my mixer, I'll do the same. Right click. Then click create automation clip. That's okay. Now we are going to mix our beats. We are going to mix our beat now. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Slot 1, I'm going to add a Fruity limiter. Slot 2, I'm going to add a Fruity compressor. Slot 3, I'm going to add a Fruity multiband compressor. Slot 4, I'm going to add a Fruity soft clipper. Slot 5, I'm going to add a Fruity parametric EQ2. That's good. Number 7, these are the basic plugins you can use to mix your beats. Number 7, I'll click on slot 1, add a Fruity parametric EQ2. Slot 2, I'll click and add a Fruity multiband compressor. Slot 3, I'll click here, add a Fruity limiter. Slot 4, I'll just come here and just pick my Fruity soft clipper. That's okay. Good. 3 and 4, the number 3 is hi-hat. I'll turn up my hi-hat. Slot 1, I'll click here, add the sound womanizer. On slot 2, I'll add a Fruity soft clipper. That's good. Number 4, I'll click here. Slot 1, add the Fruity limiter. And slot 2, I'll click here and add a Fruity parametric EQ2. That's good. Then my kick, I'm going to turn up my kick right up. Good. Bring down the melodies a little bit, right down. Then turn up my master channel. Now let's listen to the Bangladesh trap beat from the start to the end. Thank you for watching. For the student who asked me to make this beat, Hope you understand. If you don't understand, let me know. I'm here on YouTube to let people understand. You can follow my YouTube channel and learn. Now let's listen to the Bangladesh Trap beat from the start to the end, which I'm going to title it Remix. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. I've already finished making the Bangladesh Trap beat remix for the studio who asked me to make Bangladesh Trap beat, so I've already finished. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, tell me on the comment section. Bye. Tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Then.